Number 7, we are multiplying a rational expression, so first thing we need to do is to factor completely both rational expressions. This means on the numerator and the denominator. So looking at the first rational expression, x plus 5 over 4x minus 16, the numerator cannot factor, so we're going to leave it x plus 5. The denominator can factor out a GCF of a 4. Then I'm going to divide each term by 4. I'm left with x minus 4. Times, I'm going to look at the second rational expression now. I can take out a GCF of the numerator and take out a 2. I have x squared minus 16. Then I can factor this again further and make it 2 x plus 4 and x minus 4, because x squared minus 16 is a difference of squares. The denominator of x squared minus 25 is also a difference of squares that can factor as x plus 5 and x minus 5. So then I have the two rational expressions being multiplied together of x plus 5 over 4, x minus 4, and 2x plus 4, x minus 4 over x plus 5, x minus 5. So when I multiply these two rational expressions together, I'm not actually going to multiply the numerators and the denominators. I'm just going to write that I am multiplying them. So I'm going to have 2x plus 5, x plus 4, x minus 4 over 4, x minus 4, x plus 5, and the x minus 5. So then I can look to simplify. The x plus 5s can cancel out, the x minus 4s can cancel out. The 2 and the 4 are both coefficients that can simplify to be 1/2. And so then I have an x plus 4 on the numerator left over a 2 and an x minus 5.